Hey everybody, I'm here today with a driving lesson on getting onto the highway, entering the highway. In this video, I'll be showing you the basics of getting onto the highway. Now let's get right to it. I'm going to be going on a local highway where I live, which is the 401 East. Alright, so right over here, I'm going to make a right-hand turn. This is the road that will take me onto the highway. So the first step is getting onto the entranceway to the highway. Now sometimes it's just a basic short on-ramp, and other times it's a road like this. Now what you want to do is you want to focus on looking ahead, checking out what the highway situation is with regards to the lanes that you're going to be merging into, seeing if there's any traffic and so forth, and you should be trying to get up to the highway speed before you get onto the highway. So the highway speed, the local highway speed for this highway is 100 kilometers per hour. So my goal would be to get up to 100 kilometers an hour if the road conditions were absolutely ideal. Now, as you can see, hopefully you can see this in the video, it's raining pretty hard, so the road conditions are not ideal. So I'm not going to be getting up to 100, but I am going to be getting relatively close to that speed. I'm going to be getting up to the safe highway speed, which, it seems to be about 85 kilometers an hour. Now, as you can see, I'm about to merge onto the highway. I'm going the highway speed. I'm going to put my left turn signal on, check my rear view mirror, check my left side mirror, check my left blind spot. Now that it's safe to do so, I'm going to merge into this lane right over here. Remove my left signal just like that. And I'm going about 90 kilometers an hour, which is basically the flow of traffic, as you can see. Now, it's a relatively simple thing to do, but when you get conditions, road conditions that make it harder, like rain or snow or fog or anything, or ice or anything like that, it makes it a little bit more difficult because it adds another level of complexity to the merging process. So to sum up the process for getting onto a highway, it's just as simple as this. You want to start looking ahead on the highway as soon as you get a chance to see if there's any traffic or what the flow of traffic is. Then you want to try and get up to the highway speed before you actually start merging. So if it's safe to do so, then you want to get to the speed limit of the highway, which on this highway is 100 kilometers an hour. But if it's not safe to do so, whether there's congested traffic or whether there's rain or snow or ice or fog or anything, or wind or anything like that, then you want to go with the safe speed limit, which is likely going to be lower than the actual speed limit of the highway. If there's traffic, like I said, you want to match the flow of traffic. So let's say that the speed limit was 100 kilometers an hour for this highway, which it is, but the flow of traffic was only 60 kilometers an hour because it was rush hour, or there was a congestion on the highway. Then I would try and match the flow of traffic. So you want to get to the highway speed or the speed of the flow of traffic. Then you want to put your signal on. You want to check your rear view mirror, your side mirror on the side that you're switching towards, which was the left in my case. You want to check your blind spot on the side that you're switching towards, and you're looking for traffic, any obstructions, anything that you should know about before you switch lanes. And when it is safe to do so, and only when it is safe to do so, you want to switch lanes. You want to merge lanes onto the highway, merge onto the highway. Now, I should tell you that you should try to merge as early as you can. You don't want to wait until the last possible moment to switch lanes and get onto the highway. You want to merge as early as you can. At the earliest opportunity, when it is safe and legal to do so, at that point you should merge onto the highway. But that's basically it. In this video, I've gone over the basics, the basic procedure for merging onto the highway and getting onto the highway. If you like the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. What are some other tips for getting onto the highway and merging onto the highway? Let me know down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.